Hey, what's happening, my friends? This is Ron from Optimize FX. Sorry for the late video. I actually recorded a video last night, but the video didn't encode properly, so I had to actually scrap it. So I'm just re-recording it now. So it's just a quick update as to what's been happening with me and Optimize FX. So I've picked up some casual work and I've been working long hours this week and last week, so that is the reason for the lack of content. I do apologize, but I thought I'd bring you all up to speed as to what I'm testing right now. So some of you mentioned you'd like to see some $10,000 or 10,000 cent accounts running robots, and yeah, we've had one in front of us here. Dragon seemed to go quite well after the challenge, where unfortunately it blew the account in the first week, but I put another 1,000 in and it went gangbusters from then on. So what I've done is I put $10,000 in this account and I've let it go. So the balance that you see there is actually started from Monday, and it is now Thursday night here in Australia. So in 4 days, not quite 4 days yet, because it rolls over in the morning. What is it? About 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning would be the 24th hour of the trading day. So yeah, it's made $2,136 since Monday, which is pretty awesome. Or maybe it's made a bit more because I couldn't quite put 10,000 in the account. But what I have done is I've got this here, and you can see, yeah, where it is. So we started at maybe it was like 9,300 that I had in the account, and yeah, it's just been trading since then. There's a big move here. It's taken a fair bit of profit and it's moved it up. But yeah, it's been going quite well. I'm quite impressed. So we'll see what happens with it over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to let it run for as long as possible, probably a month, with 10,000, and we'll see where it's up to at the end of the fourth week, being a month trading. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Next we have Moneypile. So I activated Moneypile as well, on two pairs, M15 time frame on the 10,000, and yeah, it's made $1,530 since, I believe, Monday. Yes, it was since the 17th, and it's now, well, is it? Doesn't really make sense. Let me have a look. Oh, 17th to the 5th. Oh, that's why. Okay. Let's just print this out and we'll see where I put in the other money, just so I can get it right for you all. Let's do MP for Moneypile, and 1,000 is there. It might take a little bit to load. Bingo. So I put it in on the 14th. So if I start it from the 15th, we'll get bingo. We can get it, see what's been happening. The 15th of this month. Interesting. So let's do that. I'll try and keep this video kind of quick. Oops, went to the wrong thing. I am super tired. Oh, we can probably go to the 14th. Bingo. Rightio. So let's print that one out. MP, where is it? Bingo. Open that one up. Yes. Cool beans. Okay, let's have a look. So 10,000, and it's done some trades, as you can see, and that's where we're up to. So it's had two drawdown areas, and then the other ones have just been profit. This is only running two pairs, But I'd be super stoked to make $1,528 in 4 days. I'd be pretty stoked. So yeah, quite a good EA. And just remember, I have upped the lot size to 0.1 per trade at the start. So the starting lot size is 0.1, not 0.01. So just keep that in mind. Next, the make money EA. Yes. So that was the other statement that I had. So this has been going quite well as well. It is this one. So I think I started this on 1,000 and it went down a little bit, and then it started making profits. It went up to 2,581. Took some losses, took it back to 1721. Went back up to 2581 today, and then it's had a few losses this afternoon, so we're back to 21. What are we on? 2266 at the moment, sitting right there, and it has a floating profit of $127. So yeah, make money is actually quite a good EA. It is a more of a longer term EA. I've found you probably won't see many profits in the short term, but in the long term it can be quite powerful. So it is a paid EA. You can find it at expertforex.com. I'm not affiliated with them at all. That's just if you want to look for it or look at some reviews or whatever. That's where you can find it. Next one we have is one that I started yesterday. It's called Algo 2.0. You can find it at forexcrack.com, along with many other EAs as well. But it's made $24 since yesterday. When did I start? Yesterday morning. So yeah, around about 36 hours it's been running, and yeah, it's made $24, and it is currently $6, yeah, in $6 drawdown, which is nothing, at a balance of 699. So we'll see how it goes. Apparently it's pretty good. I've got actually running on the H1 time frame, and it's supposed to be on the M1, so that's something I just didn't realize. So bingo. We'll change it to that. I will stop auto trading. I'll close all these trades. Yes, it's going to skew the results a bit. Hey, that's cool. Close all these trades. I do have a script to do this manually, but I don't have it on this terminal, so there's only a few here. We'll just do it manually. Bingo. Okay, so this one is apparently supposed to trade on the M1 time frame. It's meant to be for just gold, but a few friends and I have found that it actually works quite well on other pairs. So we'll let it go again now on the M1 time frame, and I'll do another update probably tomorrow night, because Friday night I'll don't have to work the next day, and we'll see how it goes in the 24-hour period with the M1 time frame. So it made $24 on the H1. We'll see how it goes in the M1. I think it'll be more, but we'll see. Next we have one that I found that was meant to be pretty good, which is the, I would say, precise EA, and it currently doesn't have any trades open, but we can see profit for today is $130, and yesterday was $172, and the profit for the week so far is $302. So I don't need to show you any of that. It has been going for, I think, 2 days. Yes. Yep, it's been going for 2 days. That's pretty awesome. But for some reason, when I run it on my other demo accounts, it has a heap of trades there, and it's in, it's not gone too well. So I'm not sure about this one yet. Don't know, but we'll see how we go tomorrow. See what happens. But for some reason, it doesn't have any trades open right now. It did when I took this computer into the room to do this recording, but obviously it's closed them. So we'll have a look at the next one. This is the FX Stabilizer, one from the $1,000 Challenge 2. It has been trading quite well. I've been quite impressed. It's on the turbo mode. That's all I changed. These are the settings. That's all it is. I haven't changed anything else. Default settings apart from turbo. And what did we do yesterday? This is with the Maris account. So we can see I put in 1,000 and profit. No, we don't want profit. Time. Yes. Go the other way. Okay, so where did I start this? Bingo. So this is the one where I started it on the Titan G7, and then I moved it to this, and I moved it to this on the 2nd of the 6th, so we'll start the period from that. Second. And there should not be any more Titan. If it works, does it work? Yep. Sweet. And let's have a look at the report for that one. This can be FS. I could have called it FX. There we go. There we have the things. So we can see it has made a gross profit of $167 since the 2nd, and it has only amassed a relative drawdown of 4.27%, and the max drawdown was 4.27% as well. So it has been running quite well. I'm quite impressed. It does have a few losses, and I do like to see that in an EA, one that takes losses as well. So, its first couple of trades were full negatives. So, if you had that, there's a big one there, 61. So it actually, it looks like it's probably a martingale system. As it goes into drawdown, it makes, yeah, it did. So 0.01, 0.01, 2, 4, 8, and then it had one ready to go at 16, but it didn't quite get there, so it cancelled it, and it closed all these out, and had a, 20, 30, 40, and then 5 and 61. So it probably made around about $25-ish, maybe a little bit less in that trade. So yeah, which is probably this right here, I would say, this curve. And then other than that, it's been going quite well. Would I recommend it? Yes, but I would still like to test it a little bit more first. Move on to the next one. That was Stabilizer. So Stepping Stone has been trading quite well as well. I've been very impressed with it. I've kept it on $1,000. That is not right. I did have a problem with generating some of these. So we start, well, let's say we start on the 6th of the 8th. Sometimes it doesn't work properly. So we just do 8. $74. So that did work properly. So it's made $74 since the 8th. Let's do SS for Stepping Stone. And it hasn't made many trades. It started on the 8th of the 6th, and it's now the 18th. So, but it has. Look at the curve. Well, it's not really a curve, but look at the equity, the balance line. It's pretty solid. Drawdown is 0.5% on $1,000. So, very happy with that as well. Move on to the next one, the very last. We have the Titan G7 running 7 pairs, and I don't think it has been trading too well this week. Let's have a look. So I started this on the 1st. Yes. So I started this on the 1st of this month, and being the 18th now, with 1,000, it's only made $35. I think last week was a losing week, so it didn't go too well. This week looks to be possibly a losing week as well. You know, we're currently at -17. Do we close any trades today? Let's have a look. No. So the last trades it closed was on the 16th, so 2 days ago, and they're all negatives except for that. So it hasn't gone too well. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up what I've been testing. Also have another one called the Moving Average Multiplier by the same expert Forex mob that has been going quite well. It's I'm very impressed with it. Algo 2.0 has been trading really well. But that's pretty much all I've been up to. I've just been letting these ones run. You know, just a quick update for you all as to what's been happening at the world of Optimize FX. The website has been put on hold, so I do apologize for that. But hopefully on the weekend I'll be able to do a little bit more on that and get it out soon. I'm still undecided as to whether I'll be hosting you know, downloadable EAs on there that I don't own, like some other websites I see do, and forums and things like that. But we'll see what happens, I guess. But that wraps it up for tonight. I don't want my battery to die on me again and lose another video. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this information I've given you, smash the like button. If you want to see more things like this, let's all make money together, hit that subscribe button. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video that I record tomorrow, and I'll put it up tomorrow night as well. So thanks again. I'll see you next time.